Hi moms, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to adapt the Finesse double electric breast pump into a single breast pump setup. This is super helpful for moms who prefer to pump from one side at a time. Whether your baby is feeding on one breast, or you just want a more flexible option. Let's start by preparing your Finesse breast pump setup. Place all parts, the pump unit, tubing, flanges, and bottles, on a clean surface. Make sure everything is completely dry and properly sanitized before you begin. This step ensures proper suction and hygiene, which are very important for safe pumping. Now, let's adapt the double pump into a single pump mode. On the back of your Finesse pump, you'll notice two tubing connections, one for each breast. Gently remove one of the tubes from the port. Be careful and avoid pulling too hard. Once you've removed it, cover or seal that open port using a silicone plug or cap. This will prevent any air leaks and help maintain strong suction on the side you're using. Now your pump has only one tube connected. This is your single pump setup. Make sure the tube fits tightly and there are no loose ends. If your model doesn't include a cap for the second port, you can use a small piece of clean medical tape to seal it temporarily. This helps keep the suction focused on one side. Turn on your Finesse breast pump and look at the control panel. You'll see suction and speed settings. For single pumping, start at a low to medium suction level, since all the suction power will now focus on one breast. Let your body adjust for a minute or two. Then you can gradually increase the suction strength to your comfort level. Remember, comfort always comes first. Never push beyond what feels natural. Make sure you're sitting comfortably in a supportive chair. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Hold the breast shield gently and make sure the bottle stays upright. For a hands-free experience, you can use a pumping bra to hold the flange in place. Relax, breathe deeply, and stay calm. This actually helps improve your milk flow naturally. A peaceful mind helps a healthy milk supply. Once you're done pumping, carefully remove all parts and clean them properly. Wash the tubing, bottles, and flanges with warm, soapy water and let them air dry. Keeping your pump clean not only protects your baby, but also helps your machine last longer.